Hello everyone, welcome to Trav Shots and I am your host Nishant Krishna. With many nations starting to relax travel restrictions, some of our favorite holiday destinations have opted to remain closed to visitors until mid 2021. That is because many countries have decided to keep tourists at bay, fearing the risk. While some countries have made official announcements around it, some have already hinted at the same. If you have been craving to have an international trip, this video brings 4 countries that you should not consider for your trip till mid 2021. TravShots is all about travel, and only travel. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. Now let's get into the show. First in the list is Bali. Bali originally planned to reopen for international visitors in September, but decided to keep its borders closed until mid-2021. Visas on arrival to Bali were halted in 2020, while one of their airports remains open. There is still a travel restriction in place for Indonesia where passengers are not allowed to transit or enter the country with a few exceptions. You are allowed to visit Bali only if you are a resident of Indonesia. The governor of Bali stated that reopening of Bali will come in stages and tourism may be the last sector to be fully opened. Next in the list is Australia. It is very unlikely that Australia is going to lift restrictions on travelers entering the country anytime soon. Reportedly, Australia's Prime Minister hinted that country will not reopen to international tourists until the mid of 2021. Australian borders are closed. The only people who can travel to Australia are Australian citizens, residents, immediate family members, travelers who have been in New Zealand for the previous 14 days. No foreign flag cruise ships may enter Australian waters till mid 2021. Next in the list is Vietnam. Vietnam began resuming operations of limited international flight connections in Asia, that is with South Korea, Japan, China and Taiwan, but only for Vietnamese nationals, students, business people, diplomats and other selected passengers. Local travel agents are of the view that tourists will likely not be allowed until mid-2021, while experts express that Hanoi will be very careful about reopening. A number of festivals and events in Vietnam have been cancelled or postponed in alignment with the government's directive to avoid public gatherings. Hence, it might take up to mid-2021 for the Vietnamese government to decide on whether they should reopen tourism or keep it closed until the end of 2021. Next in the list is New Zealand. The New Zealand border remains closed for almost all travelers. However, a small number of people are allowed to travel to New Zealand, including the residents and people traveling for unavoidable purposes. To avail this, they must first submit a request to the Travel Immigration of New Zealand. The government is allowing limited number of international students to come to New Zealand to continue their studies. Hence, New Zealand will definitely remain closed till mid-2021 and it shouldn't be in your travel bucket list till then. I hope you liked this edition of Trav Shots. Our channel is all about travel and only travel. If you loved this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. There are a lot more interesting videos coming up. Till the next edition, signing off, Nishant.